Okay, if you have an electric mower and it stalls on you, you hit the button and you pull up on the thing and it doesn't start, well, you didn't break it. The engine got hot. Here, we'll do it again. Pull and pull up on the thing. See, it won't start? Yeah, still works. Just the engine got hot. And you're going to have to wait 10 or 15 minutes to restart it. So, if your electric mower or battery powered mower doesn't work after some use, let the engine cool down. Go take a break, get a nice cold drink, go do a little bit of trimming, or take care of some other weeds, clean up trash around your yard, find something else to do for 10 or 15 minutes for that to cool down, and then get back to it. It's not that hard.